Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Devin Truby. The opioid epidemic is a severe problem and it's worsened during the coronavirus pandemic. That's why law enforcement here and around the country had their 20th Take Back Day event today to collect your unwanted prescriptions. Fox's Tessa Bentulan is working for you to explain how this could slow the trend. Tessa.
Well, Devin, the Sangamon County Sheriff's Department is teaming up with the Drug Enforcement Administration and a bunch of other local law enforcement across central Illinois for this Take Back Day event. And the deputy tells us that don't leave those old prescriptions hanging around in your medicine cabinet.
Unused, unwanted, and old prescription drugs. If you don't need it, the Sangamon County Sheriff's Office will take it.
The goal behind it is to have a safe way for people to have a safe way to dispose of prescription medications.
The Sheriff's Department working with the Drug Enforcement Administration and 51 other local law enforcement agencies in central Illinois to take your medications on Saturday. Anthony Mayfield, captain of operations with the Sheriff's Office, says they have a lot of older people who like to bring their prescriptions. But they are hoping to reach another target group, parents with teenagers.
We know there's an opiate epidemic and the effects that it has on teenage kids, and seeing a lot of devastating things here in Sangamon County when it comes to overdoses and young teens getting addicted to it.
During the coronavirus pandemic, Sheriff Jack Campbell says overdoses have gone up.
And I know this because our deputies are starting to give more and more of the Narcan on the street.
Across the U.S., the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported over 87,000 drug overdose deaths in a 12-month period that ended in September 2020. Here in Illinois, over 3,500 reported in September 2020 compared to 2,600 in September 2019. That's about a 30% change for the state.
We're convinced it has to do with the stress of the pandemic and people, again, having more time on their hands and possibly access to it.
And the DEA says that the Sheriff's Office collected over 277 pounds of drugs today. From here, the DEA will take those drugs to a facility in Indianapolis to be properly destroyed. Reporting live in our station, Tessa Bentulan. Devin, back to you.
Thank you, Tessa. Springfield police collected 101 pounds of old prescriptions today, and there will be another Take Back Day in October.